Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to print double-sided on this printer right here. This is actually the Epson Et-2760 wireless all-in-one printer, and this will be a full tutorial on printing double-sided. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off by showing you and telling you how to do this via a phone, and then I'll explain how to do it via a computer over there. So let's get right into the video. What I've done here is I've literally just created a note on my old iPhone, and as you can see, it's just all dashes. I literally just created a long string of individual hyphens at the beginning like that, as if I was going to create a list, but there's no list because I don't have time to create a list when I want to make these tutorials like this. So just all dashes, as you can see, just like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the option to print. So I'm going to hit the triple dot on the top right corner over there. I'm just moving my phone off the screen to make sure there's nothing that I don't want anyone to see, although I think I'm good to go. I'm going to scroll down. Yeah, we're all good to go. I'm going to scroll down. I have all these options right here: share notes, send a copy, find a note, move note, lines and grids, print. We're going to hit print. Now it's going to bring up the printer and the settings that we've chosen, and as long as you have at least 2 pages, you're going to have the option to choose double-sided. If it's only a single page document, you can't choose double-sided. So you can see printer Epson Et-2760 series printer. Presets, default preset, so it's my default preset. 1 copy, okay? And the range is all 2 pages, so that's the key factor here. We have 2 pages. Black and white, it doesn't really matter because it is black and white anyways. We can turn it on if we want to. Double-sided is turned on. So that's the key there. You got to make sure that double-sided is turned on. Okay, and then paper size letter, and there's the preview of the 2 pages. So letter size paper right there. As long as your double-sided is turned on right there, you're going to hit print. We're going to give it a quick moment. I just hit print in the corner, and it's going to connect to the printer, and it's going to print. Now I also did just the dashes because it would be really fast. So that's the second page right there. Okay, that's the second page. And now it took it back in, and it's printing the first page. It's just the way that it works, okay? Now, as you can see, just to remind you, we had all dashes right here, just literally a line, just a page long full of dashes, multiple pages full of dashes. As you can see right there, I'm gonna get rid of my phone for a second, my old phone. And as you can see on the printer, we have the same thing. It's hard to tell because, you know, like I said, but it's all dashes. Here's the first full page of dashes. You flip it over, okay? And then you have the second page right here, which has just, you know, the partial page of dashes. This is the page number 2. That's it. So literally, that's how you print double-sided on this printer. You just make sure that you've selected the double-sided option, and you need to make sure that you have at least 2 pages there. Because if you don't have 2 pages to print, you can't print double-sided. The option won't even be there on the screen. So that's where a lot of people get confused. Now, if you are printing from a computer, whether it's via a wireless connection or a wired USB connection, okay, which the port is right over there, it's the same thing, except instead of printing from the phone, you're going to go on your software, you're going to go click print on your browser, your document software, your photo editing software, whatever the case is, and as long as there are at least 2 pages to print, you can then select double-sided as an option. It might just be there on the screen for you when you hit print, or you might have to click advanced printer settings or advanced printer options and in order to access that option. So that's something to keep in mind. It might just be right there when you hit print as an option, or you might have to go into the advanced settings to get to it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.